Watebe, today marks the beginning of the journey towards financial empowerment for each of us and for our community as a whole. He invites you to commit wholeheartedly, attend meetings, contribute consistently, participate in decision making, and invite others to join us. Let us build a saving culture that is trustworthy, inclusive, and sustainable. Dietete go gimote planning timoigo be idi joiningo group ni otunu karachiel onen be community wa arabo atekerwa mekumam odongo onyai liame nyai dwe kene onyai sau onyai ikabedo motiye neibada nyai idi nyai doli ame dwe sing so pikao keti dwe kene logo oyar bedo ding so iyo to ipinya papat kamelo bodo kodingie jogero gorofan ada gero mera jika no woda mare made mongwon okoti monyo okobedo kede a very big plaza so otimo na mano odomo nu kuma lobowa omiono lum dok nonok ude kodok nyo dok tot kibino kala kitaun kane opora neno ude kabedo me poti en gino ina nyuto dongo ikabedo so donyi kuma gallery natamani esawa ni chetu tumia otare oge udo chetu tumia to mondoko neno be the number was overwhelming so omede nani mwakani omede podo tege age tutumia otare donyo kede saving tietu tumia ota reda bubo bulitwe so ya check medwe mitodi saving osiling ati ota tutumia otare dodonyo da chitumia otare ikodo mede saving do ochato shares kai will share would it take the opportunity me taking decisions in group because our sources of income obedo shares institutional capital magome aro udo funds ikaramoro we are processing it somewhere that's our institutional funds then other funds may members collect so that's where we get our funds so we are still selling shares don't you almost chat with the shares at tot you remember no get the send the tot because we are one day
how much is a
share is only 25,000 for now but you start by buying two you will array to me out can so kai take registering you go saving you will share the bobo the share no and a kuoni group casually Udo itie saving a saving, which is still a good idea. Then did I take eko ya mobaya mbe. Okay, kitame wani. I would like to thank everyone who contributed to bringing Kumam Gallery Media and Kumam Gallery Kampala Sacco to life. Our organizers, aragibedi line liange iromo iyango chini. Kauditie one of the people who organized this yangida chini yachetia kuno technical center already participating in what in the organization otieke the mentors piginili romoti keni tiejo amio idea sejo me wado ringo butiki some professionals be konywa oringo butiki be nan omoko kan otim benyo kan be no ilio longa be lobsa longa be olobo daka oti ministry kuno tie director mora longa be ini bedo what olobo akufenye bolobo mene olobo uruchi Bank of Uganda Kenya said maybe aneruna doli again abel ginenwani go nogo remo waino no ba adene temi to chwe bana ina be kapoya so wani go no go so mentors tie opoyo gida supporters who are moko somika ne Arise prayer team tekele kumamnya and development services and others anybody who gave a hand in this opoida sana omitodo opoida bubo in office me kuch arabo office apapota ya bi pieda mi wa support samoro oyamo kile ya udo oromo ya mokede through Mr. Teru maro udo ole saa moro amana mano so opo yuda sana pimiwa support jolego ne wada kede jatemede kede lega dobo mede no kede lega da wada opoyo ituni sana wado telego ne u so okoya mobe oteke di individuals dano kenelie bedo member lianyo dene no be koya be kimite no timo ber sana temi wa mane dano komiu maybe sente morati tidi be organizing no kede nyo